Sangpo and welcome back to another Photoshop tutorial. In this video, we will try to see how to create unique wallpapers from a single photo. To begin with, let's open Photoshop. Now let's open this photo. As you can see, I've opened the photo. Unlock the layer by clicking on this one and right click and choose Convert to Smart Object. Now your photo is converted to Smart Object. After that, click on Filter, Blur and choose Radial Blur. Make sure that the amount is 100. Check the zoom and keep it as good. After doing that, you can see there's a blur. Now repeat the same process for 2 to 3 times. In this case, I am doing 3 times. Now again go to Filter, choose Distort and then choose Trill. The first one will try to keep the amount angle to 120 degree and then you can see the photo is trilled. Now adjust the layer and as you can see right side to this trill there is a icon, adjustment icon. Double click on it and then choose the blending mode as lighten and keep the opacity 100. Okay, now again repeat the same process, trill, but in this time change the angle to negative 120 and click OK. Similarly, click on this adjustment icon, double click. Repeat the same, keep the opacity as 100, choose the blending mode as lighten and click OK. Now you can see we got a unique photo. Now click on this icon and choose Levels. Again adjust the panel and then drag these points. So the first point will give us details of more of darker color. Drag a little bit up and play with the middle line until you get your desired photo. And then after it, click on Layers and you're done. Don't forget to leave a like and do subscribe for another tutorials.